Welcome to the CodeBOT Table Accessibility Settings walkthrough. This hybrid workflow combines manual steps with smart assistants to make HTML tables accessible, structured, and easy to navigate while giving you precision, clarity, and control at every step. First, click the ID Tables button to assign unique IDs to every table in the editor. Next, manually select the header rows and click Wrap T Head. This step is essential because complex or malformed tables can't always be interpreted reliably by automated tools. Defining the header rows manually ensures proper structure and accuracy. By clicking on Wrap T Body, the system automatically wraps the rest of the table by using smart logic. If the last row has a single cell with col-span attribute, it's automatically wrapped with T foot tags. No manual work needed. Next, use the Scope T Head and Scope T Body buttons to assign the correct scope attributes, regardless of table structure complexity. These attributes are essential for assistive technologies to accurately interpret the table hierarchy and relationships. To undo any operation, click the Remove Wraps button to clear all table section elements, and the Remove Scope button to clear all scope attributes. This provides full control over the table markup at every stage. You can also wrap each section individually if desired. The circular navigation feature lets you move seamlessly between tables. Move past the last table to return to the first, or go backward from the first table to reach the last. This continuous navigation ensures you never reach a dead end, making it easier to review and manage multiple tables. For a visual overview, use Control-click on any table to open the Instant Preview overlay. The Quick Table Actions panel displays which formatting options have been detected in the table and allows you to toggle them on or off. Finally, the Footnotes checkbox lets you embed footnote references directly into your table. It automatically adds a footnote list to the footer and highlights references for easy tracing and quality assurance. You can toggle the entire footnote structure on or off. Here's another example of multi-reference footnotes, where a single footnote can be linked to multiple references within the table. This process is automated, eliminating tedious human error, and uses both numbers and symbols to clearly distinguish each reference, making it easier to track and understand the footnotes. That's table accessibility settings in action. A hybrid workflow that combines manual precision with smart automation. It's built for real-world complexity and designed to help you deliver accessible, standards-compliant tables every time.